What's up, nail friends, and welcome to the vlog. Okay, so today I'm going shopping as part of mine and Talia's holiday series, and I'm gonna go to Michael's and then Homesense. And the mask I'm gonna wear today is this one. It's white with little polishes on it. It's really cute. I got this from Chelsea's Nails on Etsy, so I'll link her shop down below. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to be safe out here. I'm on the island. The COVID cases aren't super high yet, but they're still like rising, so I just gotta be really careful. So I'm just gonna go to 2 places and be extra careful. So let's go shopping and let's see what we can find. I like these little Christmas trees. I'm just gonna put these in my cart. Don't know if I'm gonna get them, but just in case. I found something so fast. I do want to put some lights on my tiny trees. Ooh. I love fake candles. They're perfect for a nail studio. These are cute. Gonna think about that. It smells like cinnamon in here. Do I need a wreath? Yeah, I feel like I do. 40% off. These are cute. Okay, done at Michael's. Gonna head into Homesense. Looks really busy in this parking lot, so I hope it's not too busy in there. I got a lot of good stuff, and I picked out kind of like the color theme I want my room to go. So yeah, just gonna look for some extra little things. I mostly got everything I needed, for the most part. There's a couple trinkets, and I kind of want like small little ornaments to go on my tiny trees that I got. So we'll see what they have. I'll bring you guys with me. Oh my god, so much cute stuff. I love Homesense. Oh. tiny balls. Ooh. Look at these. I don't have this color, it's like light pink.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plain, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly, sweetly through the night, and the mountains in reply, echoing their brief delight. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong?
Glad I went to both places because I got a lot of good stuff. Time to decorate. Okay, so I've got all my stuff here. It's a few days later. And I've moved back into my old nail space. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I moved out of this space for a while, but I much prefer this space. So I moved back in here. And I have shelves up and everything, but I just haven't Christmas decorated yet. So that is what we're gonna do. Okay, so some of the items I got were these adorable tiny trees that I'm gonna decorate. I have tiny lights for them and stuff. So I'm thinking just on the sides. I have a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna have to play around and move stuff around. This one's nice and full. This one's not as full. Oh, I can move the leaves around. I thought these were so pretty because they're kind of snowy looking. Reminds me of my house tree. I'm also gonna change my background color here because it's pink. We don't want that anymore. To like either red or green. Ooh. Let's see how red looks. Or red. I'm gonna hang out with the green for a bit and then change it if it looks better red. I forgot I got a table runner, which would be super cute. So I should have put this down first. That's fine.
What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your heavenly song? Come to Bethlehem and see him whose birth the angels sing.
I used one of these so far. I thought I was gonna need the whole thing for 2 of them, but nope. I got this sign that says, "May your days be merry and bright." There's 2 settings, but I don't see a difference. So that might go right here, up here. I also want my YouTube plaque to be on the wall. Got some fake presents. Also have a wreath. That might just go up here. I also got this. I'm not sure. I'm still moving things around. But they're like candles, but they look really rustic. I thought I could use them all year round, not just at Christmas. Some other things I got were these that light up, sparkle. And change color. Okay, so I'm done with that. I didn't use this, but I could put this somewhere else in my house. And I didn't decorate the trees with these balls. I'm just happy with the trees the way they are. I didn't think it really needed them. So I'll put these somewhere else as well. I decided to go with traditional Christmas colors. This year is really feeling the red and green. So my tree in my house is also red and snow colored and silver and gold, and I don't know, this year I just was really feeling it. So that's what I went with this year. I hope you guys liked this video. This is my new background for December. Really into it, loving all the colorful lights. And I can change my background to red or green. I'll probably keep it red all Christmas season. So thanks so much for watching. Here is a slow motion close-up of my background and how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me and decorate with me video. And if you like the way mine turned out, make sure you head on over to Talia's Nail Tales. I'll link her in my description box. This is a collaboration with her, and we are doing 12 videos in December for you guys. So check back in 2 days for the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!